I'm Phil Weckesser. I'm a principal mechanical engineer at Salas O'Brien. I was always taking things apart as a child and a teenager to see how they work. That drove me towards an engineering career generally, gravitated towards mechanical, and found myself working in a field where I can apply those curiosities and that interest from my youth. It's important that young engineers get a little bit of field experience. And this isn't necessarily construction management where you're living in a trailer day to day, but we need to get into the field and see the things that we're designing as they are being constructed. The thing I find most inspiring is watching the growth and development of my team and younger engineers that I get to mentor and coach along. Teach other people how to do various engineering tasks enhances my understanding of the subject matter and is very rewarding for me. Our Engineered for Impact motto is a statement about our drive to not just execute the project, but execute the design in a way that substantially improves our client's experience. I like to disappear into the woods for days at a time, carrying everything I need to survive on my back and getting to places that other people don't really get to see. I've done a couple of substantial trips. I hiked 230 miles of the PCT in one go, and the solitude and the ability for self-reflection and just kind of unwinding while I walk is just the greatest thing.